Let's see how to remove unwanted spaces in a text. So I have my input text here, and I have a lot of white spaces in the beginning and a lot of white spaces in the end. So now my requirement is to remove those spaces and just get my text into a new history. So let's do. It's very easy. Just we get a variable to store the output. String my output equals, we get my input text dot trim. So this is the method that will remove these spaces in front and the end. So, and now we need to display the output. We see the output. We need the console dot write line. We get brackets. So instead of just printing my output, we added these two in the front end, so we can see whether the spaces are there or not. Okay, let's run and see the output. Okay, so here it has removed the uh, spaces in the beginning and the end. So we see without doing the trimming how the output looks like. So I remove the trim just to show you how the string output is before. So before is here, then after trimming, run it again. So after trimming, it's just remove the spaces at the beginning and the end. So this is how we remove unwanted spaces from the beginning and the end. Just one line of code you will need to do that. That's all. Thank you.